I spent this last semester helping Mr. Mullen revitalize the physics classroom. In this video, I'll share some of the things I did in an attempt to show some of the unappreciated areas of the lab and to spread the word about the help it needs. The first thing that I realized about this job was that there was a lot of work to do. There was dust everywhere, drawers were a mess, cabinets had no organization or order, and nothing seemed to be in place. Not to mention what I found in the back room. From various fishing equipment to a bed of old and possibly rusty nails, broken glass, more dust, and boxes of dangerous looking things, you could tell that safety was a top priority. The first thing that Mr. Mullen had me do was make some dividers in an attempt to organize his desk. So, I took a trip to the tech ed room to do so. I took measurements of the desk to make these dividers out of plywood. I cut out my prototype divider, sanded it, and this is what I came up with. Mr. Mullen liked my design, so I went ahead and made some more. These tabs that I put on each side allow it to slide snugly into place in the drawers. Overall, these dividers added a whole new level of organization to the desk. After that, I had the opportunity to build some new lab equipment that would allow us to do some new labs. My favorite project was this bushing that would allow us to find the rotational inertia of a roll of toilet paper. I took the measurements I'd need so that I could draw it out and later model it in software that I downloaded on my laptop. Finally, I printed it out and put the bearing in, which was a very satisfying fit. I was excited to test out my design, so I printed out another, put them both in the ends of a toilet paper roll, put an axle through, and I made an awesome mess in my kitchen. Overall, this design worked much better than we had both expected. Finally, I spent some time straightening the classroom and trying to give it a little bit of organization. I put together some boxes to organize equipment, and then I used a label maker to give the cabinets an organization system. I'm hoping that this will allow us to find equipment more easily and give everything a place to be returned to. The system was straightforward and easy to follow. The columns went up alphabetically, while rows went up numerically. Of course, I couldn't show everything in the classroom in this short video, but this experience allowed me to use a lot of equipment that I didn't even know existed. So I'm hoping that this summary can show you all how much potential the physics room really has if we continue to improve or replace the old equipment.